Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Panasonic 4K Professional Camcorder in 2022.
Top 1.
Panasonic X-2000 4K Professional Camcorder with 24x optical zoom, Wi-Fi HD live streaming, 3G SDI output and BW1 detachable handle, HC-X2000, USA Black. Pro features, Wi-Fi live streaming, manual rings, ND filters, built-in LED video light, and 24-bit high-resolution linear PCM audio recording, internal recording, double SD card slots. BW1 handle includes a detachable handle equipped with a 2-channel XLR audio input, audio control, and LED light. Also operates zoom. 4K recording 4K 60p recording in a small and light body with a heat dispersing design. Leica dichromer lens, wide-angle 25mm 24x optical zoom with 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilization, and high speed and focusing.
Top 2.
Panasonic X1500 4K Professional Camcorder with 24x optical zoom, Wi-Fi HD live streaming, HC-X1500, USA Black. Pro features, manual rings, ND filters, and 24-bit high-resolution linear PCM audio recording, 4, 2 10-bit internal recording, double SD card slots. Wi-Fi live streaming, HD live streaming supported by built-in Wi-Fi. 4K recording, 4K 60p recording in a small and light body with a heat dispersing design. Leica dichromer lens, wide-angle 25mm 24x optical zoom with 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilization, and high speed and focusing. Display LVF the 3.5-inch monitor, 2,760K dots, with electrostatic touch panel, plus up/down tiltable viewfinder, 1,555K dot. Simultaneous LCD output is available.
Top 3.
Panasonic AG-UX94K Professional Camcorder. The Panasonic AG-UX94K/HD Professional Camcorder records UHD 4K at up to 30p, and FHD up to 60p in variable frame mode. The camera supports 59.94, which is analogous to NTSC, making the camera compatible with US broadcast standards. It features an integrated 15x optical zoom lens and a 1-type sensor, and can record UHD 4K and Full HD in MOV and MP4. The camera is also capable of recording HD in the UHD format. The AG-UX90 offers gamma settings for 8 different scenarios, and manual control rings for iris, zoom, and focus. To monitor the status of all settings and perform critical focusing functions, the camcorder features both a high-quality 3.5 LCD touchscreen, and a full-color LCOS 0.24 viewfinder with 1/560,000 dots of resolution. It incorporates 2 SD slots that allow for simultaneous recording in UHD and
Top 4.
Panasonic AG-UX90E 4K UHD FHD camcorder 50Hz/PAL model, with soft padded case plus cleaning kit and more base bundle. Panasonic AG-UX94K/HD Professional Camcorder, 50Hz PAL model, carrying case deluxe cleaning kit plus more. 4K, UHD, FHD camcorder with a wide-angle 24.5mm, 15x optical zoom lens and 1.0 type MOS sensor, featuring a wide-angle 24.5mm, 15x optical zoom lens and 1.0 type MOS sensor. The AG-UX90 records high-quality 4K FHD images with excellent cost performance. 1.0 type MOS solid-state image sensor, effective pixels, 17.78 megapixel FHD 50.00p 25.00p, 8.
Top 5.
Panasonic HC-X1000 1080p 4K Ultra High Definition Camcorder. This version is originally intended for sale outside the USA. Leica Dicomer 20x optical zoom lens switchable between NTSC and PAL. Individual focus, zoom and iris lens rings power O.I.S, and hybrid OIS. 0.45 EVF/3.5 LCD touchscreen records MP4, MOV, up to SDXC cards. Simultaneous/relay/background recording Wi-Fi, NFC connectivity. The Panasonic HC-X1000 4K DCI Ultra HD Full HD camcorder can help ease your transition, or allow you to jump right into 4K. The camera shoots and records cinema 4K at a true 24p, and UHD at broadcast compatible frame rates, so it fits smoothly into your existing broadcast workflow.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.